Welcome to my 12 Days of Christmas, Day 7. Hi, my name is AON and this is my bag love story. In today's episode, I'm happy to share with you an unboxing from Dress Up Your Purse. Dress Up Your Purse was founded by designer Melodie, who specializes in beautifully crafted leather accessories that combine timeless style with everyday functionality. Each piece is thoughtfully designed using high quality materials and a commitment to elegance and durability, making them the perfect companions for life's journeys. These small leather goods and bags provide a luxurious alternative to the high-end designer brands. If you appreciate genuine leather products, be sure to check them out. I have a discount code for you. You may use my code BAGLOVE to avail 15% off your purchase on their website. So today, I have the Dress Up Your Purse unboxing and let's now begin. So it came with this one thank you card from them. It says, "Hope you enjoy your purchase as much as we enjoyed designing it for you. We value our customers and your feedback and suggestions are greatly appreciated. If you could spare a minute to leave us a review, we would be grateful. If you purchase from our Etsy store, a 5-star feedback is really important for us. Please contact us if you have any issue with your order." So this is, they have their IG store and they also have their Etsy store. This is their box. You will receive their products using this very elegant black box with their logo, Dress Up Your Purse, Melodie Cecile. Before, they only have the plastic and now they have upgraded to this very luxurious box and I'm excited to open it with you. I think we need to So let's now open. The items are now tissue paper with their logo. Feels very luxurious to me. So this is the coin purse from the Rainbow series and this is inspired from the Louis Vuitton clay, but they have used real leather, genuine leather that is in this glossy, like a luminous, like a holographic design. And this side you can see we have gradients of blue and pink. And on the other side are gradients of gold and pink. They have used gold zipper and let's now remove this first. The zipper pull is in gold. There's shiny gold hardware with their logo. DUYP from Dress Up Your Purse. And now let's open. That is such a smooth zipper. I really love smooth zippers. On the inside, you can see this is like a suede interior finish, like a suede feeling. And it came with this keyring. This is the keyring to hold the keys that is also inspired by the Louis Vuitton keyring. To open, you have to pull backwards. Then you put your keys and then push and then pull again to close. It has very gorgeous and shiny chain, dainty chain. So beautiful. And I'm so excited to use this. I think I would like also have the bigger one, the M case, bringing back mini pochette in this color. That would be so lovely. Holographic designs are really one of my favorite designs, girly and premium to me, and this looks and feels premium to me. And I wish to have more of this design from them. Thank you, Melodie, for this beautiful coin purse. I'll be very happy to use this, to enjoy this. This has been my day 7 from my 12 days of Christmas. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please join me again tomorrow for my day 8.